Hey guys, it's mine. Look what I have today. I want to go get some Burger King over there.
I'm gonna sign
You want to share with a little? See that? And I'm going back out. Chicken nugget! Chicken nugget!
You did a me.
Do you want one? Guys, I didn't tell you guys this before when I started the video. I stole some of chicken nugget. Chicken nugget! Bye!